Hello Cavite home buyers! My name is Ephraim, your Cavite broker. Naghahanap ka ba ng complete 3-bedroom, 2-toilet and bath single attached house sa Imus, Cavite? Then check nyo na ang video natin today. For today's house tour, andito tayo sa Eve Residences sa Imus, Cavite. Itong single attached house ay may floor area na 93 square meters and is built on a 80 square meter lot. Sa ngayon, 102 square meter lot na ang pinakamaliit na lot area na available natin. Kaya magkakaroon kayo ng mas maraming open spaces for your garden or possible extension ng bahay. Since single attached ang ating unit, may space tayo sa harap, gilid and likod ng ating bahay. And over here, roughly, may 1.5 meter space pa tayo na pwede nyong i-enclose or bubungan para sa ating dirty kitchen or laundry area. At ngayon naman, pumasok na tayo sa loob ng ating bahay. By the way, ang kanilang main door ay wood finish. Upon entry, open layout and spacious ang ground floor natin. Isa sa magandang feature ng ating bahay ay meron tayong malaking lanay door dito sa harapan leading to your garden. Malawak din ang living and receiving area na kasya ang isang malaking sofa set. And another great thing sa layout ng ating unit ay tago itong ating kitchen and dining area. Disclaimer lang po guys, na dressed up model unit itong nasa video natin, kaya hindi po kasama itong island and cabinets upon turnover ng ating unit. Ang kasama lang po upon turnover sa kitchen ay ang ating kitchen counter with built-in sink. May option naman si buyer na magpalagay ng cabinets and island kay developer, pero additional cost na po ito on top sa total contract price. Dito sa ating ground floor, meron din tayong common toilet and bath. Again, disclaimer, this is a dressed up unit kaya di ganito exactly yung turnover ng tiles. Pero complete na rin naman yung turnover with shower, toilet and sink. We also have a back door dito which again, pwedeng i-extend sa likod for your dirty kitchen or laundry. And by the way, naka-tiles po ang turnover ng ating sahig dito sa ating ground floor. Another advantage of this house is covered na yung ating hagdan. And also, may provided na rin silang cabinet sa ilalim for your convenience. Kasama ni itong steel railings upon turnover. And with that, samahan niyo po akong umakyat dito sa ating second floor. Over here, ang turnover ng ating sahig ay vinyl. Meron po tayong 3 bedrooms dito and another common toilet and bath na complete finish na rin. Again, disclaimer po na this is a dressed up model unit kaya hindi exactly ganito ang turnover. Pero complete finish na rin naman po dahil may shower, toilet, and sink upon turnover. Isa rin sa kinaganda nitong ating single attached house sa Imus, Cavite ay malalaki po ang ating mga bedrooms dito. As you can see on this video, kasyang-kasya ang double or kahit queen size bed pa. May provided na rin naman pong mga windows and screen upon turnover. Complete finish na talaga ang turnover ng ating mga bedrooms, kaya appliances and furniture na lang ang kailangan ilagay ni client upon move-in. And for this bedroom, may pangalawang window siya dito, nakita naman yung likod ng ating bahay. By the way, ang ating division dito sa taas ay board finish. Ngayon naman, puntahan naman po natin itong ating second bedroom. Much smaller lang po ang space ng ating kwarto dito, pero still spacious enough to fit a double-sized bed. May space pa rin to fit our furnitures like cabinets or even a small study table. For the last bedroom, this will be our masters. As you can see, spacious din ang kwarto natin dito and can fit a double, queen, or kahit king size bed pa. May provided din silang space dito for your built-in cabinets. And what makes this bedroom special ay may access ito sa ating balcony. Another disclaimer po na expanded ang ating balcony, meaning mas maluwag dito yung magiging actual turnover natin. As per sa design ni developer ay expanded dito ang ating balcony which covers the entire garage natin. As of June 2024, priced at 6.3 itong ating single attached natin for 102 square meter lot. Kaya naman kung interested kayo, then contact nyo na kami for trippings. Thanks for watching and God bless.